What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can enable profile view on TikTok. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to go to on TikTok app. After going to on TikTok app, you have to click on the profile option in the right corner, but the right bottom corner. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow these steps that I am going to show you so that you can enable your profile view history on TikTok. After going to your profile, you have to click on an icon just like this. If you are seeing icon like this, you have to click on it. Then you have to turn this icon off on just like this. After turning this option on, then you can see here is an option called profile view history will appear here. Then you are ready to go. If someone visited your TikTok profile, you can see their profile here. If someone visited your profile in past 30 days, their profile will be appear here. So if you want to turn it off, you have to click on that settings option in the top right corner. After clicking on settings option, you have to click on this option just like this and turn it off. So this is how you can turn on or off your profile view history on TikTok. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.